Good morning student, here your teacher Bhavna from your channel Edu Bunch comes with the 7th class chapter number 1 from Maths Integer. Here we start the exercise 1.1. The question is, first question is, following number lines show the temperature in degrees Celsius at the different places on a particular day. It means this is a number line and the different places are shown here. One is Lahul Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty, Bangalore. So here the temperature are shown on a particular day. It means same day. These temperatures are marked. So our first question is write the temperature of places. So here we start with the one is Lahul Spiti, second is Srinagar, and third is Shimla, fourth is Ooty, fifth is Bangalore. So our first answer is, we write the A for denoted the answer. So here the first answer is Lahul Spiti, temperature is here. Look here, -5 is denoted here. So we will count -6, -7, -8. So here the temperature is -8 degree Celsius. So the next is Srinagar. So temperature of Srinagar comes from here 0, -1, -2. So the temperature is -2 degrees Celsius in the Srinagar. Now third is Shimla. The temperature of Shimla is +5 degree because 0 and then right side of the 0 when we count it becomes the plus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Now next is Ooty. Fourth is Ooty. The temperature of Ooty is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 degrees Celsius. And the fifth is temperature of Bangalore. Temperature of Bangalore is 20, then we count 21, 22 degree Celsius. So here our first part of first question gets finished. Now we will come to the question number part second of the same question. Part second is, what is the difference between hottest and coldest? So we are writing here hottest, we just erase it and then we will write. Part 2. Answer of part 2. What is the difference between hottest? Hottest is Bangalore, temperature of Bangalore, which is difference. It means we have to subtract the coldest from the hottest. So temperature of Bangalore is 21, 22 degrees Celsius. The subtraction from the coldest. Coldest is here is Lahul Spiti. The temperature is -5, -6, -7, -8. So we are writing -8 degrees Celsius. Now we all know this. If we have we will multiply minus with the minus, so it become positive plus. So here 22 degrees Celsius. Now we multiply minus from minus with minus, so it's become plus 8 degrees Celsius. It means the difference is when we add 22 plus 8, it's become the 30 degrees Celsius is the difference between the hottest and the coldest place. So we will go to the third part. because second part get finished. So we will move towards the third part. Now third part, temperature difference between Lahu Spiti and Srinagar. So we will write we will write the Roman counting 3 here, and then temperature of Lahul Spiti minus temperature of Srinagar. So here we will write temperature of Lahul Spiti is 1 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8, then difference degree Celsius, and Srinagar temperature of Srinagar is 0 minus 1 minus 2 degrees Celsius. So here what we will come here, minus 8 becomes the minus 8, but here the same way, when minus multiply with the minus, it's become the plus. So plus 2 degrees Celsius. Here we subtract the 2 from 8, but remember this thing, the sign should become from the bigger digit. So bigger digit have the sign of minus. So here the value becomes the negative. Minus 6 degrees Celsius. So here our third part is also get finished. We move towards the fourth part of same chapter. Fourth part is, we write the A and Roman counting 4 here. Temperature of Srinagar, Shimla take together. It means temperature of Srinagar plus Shimla. देखो, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla take together. It means temperature of Shimla take together is less than the temperature of Shimla. It means less than the temperature of Shimla. So we have to verify this. Is the question says question is true or false. So here we add this thing. Temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius plus temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius is less than the temperature of Shimla. Shimla temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. So here the temperature is, next step we are writing here 3 degrees Celsius, because we are subtracting the 2 from the 5, so it becomes a 3 degrees Celsius is less than the 5 degrees Celsius. So yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. But here there is a second part in the question. Is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? It means together temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. Is it less than the Srinagar? Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius. So here the condition becomes the false. So we are putting the cross here, not, no temperature of Srinagar is less than the, now we are writing on the top is less, no temperature of Srinagar is is less than the temperature of the sum of temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Srinagar and Shimla. So this is about your first question from 7th class 1.1. We will meet in the next class with the next question. Till then, have a nice day.